This is my attempt to get her to try to crawl, even army style. Wait, no, don't notice me. See, I've removed the stocking so that she has grip with her little feet. She's not slippery. Put out all the most enticing toys. And then put her on the slick floor. See how well it's working? She's not screaming anymore. Hi, Lovey. Yeah? Can you get that ball? Look at those chunky legs. It must be hard to drag that body around on the ground. Hi, sweetheart. See, she's kind of thinking about it. See if we can get her to go towards the toys. Come here, baby. Come here. Hey, Lovey. Come over this way. Come here. Lovey. Hey, Lovey. Well, it's all right. Come here. Come see me. Come here, baby. Come on, you can do it. I've seen you twirl around. She's never going to learn to crawl. Lulu, hey. Come see me. Come here. Come on. Keep turning. It's okay. Lydia. Keep turning. Lydia, baby girl. Hey, you. I'm over here. I'm over here. Yeah, there you are. Come on. There's Coda too.